I'm putting the apron on because Matt says we're getting a little messy. We're back outside with our wise guy. Tell us what we're doing with this watermelon.
Well, this is my favorite thing. We do this every summer. And so the idea is that you start with the same kind of soda bottle that we just blew up with the hydrogen, except it's going to really rupture and blow it to bits this time. And you put, it's empty, you put some liquid nitrogen in there. Because it's so cold, it boils at a normal temperature. So it's just like a pressure cooker. It boils in there, pressure builds up, and eventually the bottle ruptures.
Good.
The trick is to get the bottle inside the watermelon before any of this happens, because then it'll make the watermelon rupture when it does.
How are we going to do this?
So we're going to carve the watermelon. I got the special long, skinny watermelon at my shopping yesterday at Schnucks.
Perfect.
And so I'm going to walk you through this whole procedure, because usually I have it pre-carved. But I thought this time I'm just going to do it all right here.
Okay.
So you can see the scientists at work here. I say that tongue in cheek, of course.
Right.
Okay. And so now I have to reach in there and kind of get the guts out. Maybe you'll make the hole a little bit bigger. Makes it a little easier. You know, I really could use a skinny little hand. What do you think?
I was going to say that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I hope the mics are picking up the squirt.
Makes me feel like a veterinarian. Okay. Okay.
You should have been a surgeon, Matt. You're very delicate.
There we go. Okay. I think we now have a hole prepared. I hope you didn't like this cart a whole lot.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can hold that to keep it from tipping over while I prepare the liquid nitrogen. Okay. So what we're going to do is I've got liquid nitrogen in this coffee mug, and I'm going to put a little bit, about this much, into the bottle, screw the lid on tight, jam that thing in there, and then we're going to run for cover.
Why just a little bit?
Well, we don't need more than that. If you put too much, it goes a little too fast. I want to make sure that I have time personally to run away. I'm not sure what you're going to do, but I'm going to be over there somewhere. Okay, so let's maybe put the sharp object away, in case it goes flying. Okay, so I'm going to pour this in here now.
How much time are we going to have here?
Oh, it's always a little different, so who knows? But not very long.
Should I be laying this down? No.
Okay, now I'm going to hide back here.
Oh, that far? Okay.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Sorry, Rob. That was fantastic, though.
I think Rob needed the apron. His poor white shirt has watermelon remnants all over it. Wow. Okay, I got nailed back there, and we were probably, what?
If you turn around, you can see, well, you know, there's chunks of things on the wall and so on. Generally speaking, what happens is it's not that... Oh, look at that. The WCIA car has guts on it. Wow. Okay. So I would call this a resounding success, mainly because it was a big mess.
Good.
And you got some on there. And I miraculously am completely unscathed. Now, how did that happen?
I got hit with a chunk on my foot, and that kind of just came at me with some force.
So let's review the physics, because that's the important thing here, okay? So watermelon goes kaboom because the bottle inside goes kaboom because... You tell me. It has a liquid nitrogen, and which is doing what?
It's combusting.
It's boiling.
Boiling.
There's never any flame. There's never combustion. It's not like it's burning.
Okay.
It's just boiling in there. It's like a pressure cooker. The same thing would happen if you stuck water in it and stuck it for a long enough time in the microwave, and the water just boiled. It would eventually, well, it wouldn't quite do the same thing. But anyways, so because it would be hard to get the watermelon in the microwave.
Right. Well, that was fun. Always coming up with new ways to blow up watermelon, right?
I think so, and I don't know what we're going to do next year. I'm thinking we build a trebuchet and launch it into the air and have it blow up midway. What do you think?
Ooh, like that.
I like that too.
Now that's going to take some challenge. You got to find the right amount of liquid nitrogen so it doesn't blow up too soon or too early.
Yeah, we have a year to experiment, so we'll do that.
All right, leave it to Matt to keep us entertained. Our wise guy will put this on our website as well. Just log on to IllinoisHomepage.net, look on The Morning Show, and Wise Guy will be back.